Hey guys, I just wanted to make a quick video about a recent fundraiser that I went to, black tie fundraiser, really cool, and how that went, just to give you just a kind of like a brief rundown on my actual day-to-day experiences. So when I arrived at this, and it was a very fancy event at one of the nicer places here in town that it was fundraising for veterans and first responders, the children of fallen veterans and first responders. But anyway, very good cause. When I pulled into the parking lot, usually what I advise people to do is when you park, then you kind of get centered and then, go through your checklist, breathe, remember what you're there for, and then, get your battle plan and then go in. But when I pulled in and I parked, I saw these other people had parked right across from me and they were getting out of their car and they're all dressed up. And I said, they know where they're going. I don't know where I'm going. So I'm going to follow them. And so I said, abort the plan on being in the car and getting centered and ready. I'm just going to hop out and just jump right into the fire. So I got out, met up with them. So that's another thing you can do at the very beginning is, form a bond with somebody on the walk into the place. So in the parking lot, I said, you guys look like you know where you're going. I'll follow you. And they said, we don't know. We don't know where we're going. And so that's another thing. So they looked very dapper and very important. But at the same time, so a lot of times in our minds, we think, oh, everybody knows what they're doing and we're the only one that doesn't. But, these guys had no idea where they were going either. And so as a group, we went and navigated and found where to go to enter the venue. And yeah, it was great. So went in, registered, then I saw where, I always say, look where the food is, look where the beverages are. Went over there, engaged with the bartender, got myself an old fashioned, and then started working my way around, and it turned out really great. And so, it seemed like it could be overwhelming at first, but remembering not to pressure yourself and thinking I have to meet everybody here and be some kind of big shot. Just remembering you have to just make one, well, you don't have to, but the goal is to make one solid connection. And I made that one solid connection. I made a few, but I've made one that I plan to follow up on, and we're going to have a dinner at a recommended restaurant later on, probably next week. So I just wanted to let you guys know that sometimes some steps are skipped. Like I almost always do that pre-car thing, and I was going to make a video for you in the car saying, okay, I'm here, this is what I'm going through. But then when I saw those other people, I said, all right, get out, jump into it. And so sometimes get out, jump into it. Anyway, that's it for this update. Have a wonderful evening. I'll see you on the yacht. And until then, take care.